Hey there, Fortnite enthusiasts. Ever found yourself in a pickle because your microphone decided to take a coffee break during a gaming session? Fret not. In this video, I've got your back. Let's jump right into the solutions without wasting any more time. Solution 1. Update your audio driver. If your microphone is still pulling a disappearing act, let's update that audio driver. Head to Settings and open up Windows Status. Then hit the Check for Update button. Windows will automatically update any outdated drivers, including your audio drive. If nothing happens, resort to the trusty Device Manager. Type Device Manager in the search icon and click on it. Then expand Window Input and Outputs by clicking the arrow next to it. Next, right-click on your microphone device and choose Update Driver. Opt for Search Automatically for Driver. Let Device Manager do its thing, then reboot your computer. And check if the mic has decided to join the party. Solution 2. Adjusting in-game settings. First things first, launch Fortnite. Now locate and click on the profile icon. Spot the microphone icon and give it a click. Move on to setting your voice chat to everybody. Following that, open up the voice settings. And voila, the settings page will grace your screen. Select Open Mic as your voice chat method. Ensure your voice chat input device aligns with your chosen microphone device. Likewise, set the voice chat output device to your preferred audio device. Finally, click on Apply and check if the issue still persists. Solution 3. Set the correct microphone as default. If the mic is still not working, let's set things straight. Right-click on your sound icon in your taskbar. Navigate to Sound Settings. Click on the microphone you wish to set as default in the input settings. Scroll down and click on More Sound Settings. A new window will pop up. Head to the Recording tab. Right-click on your microphone device and select Set as Default Device. Now check if the mic works on Fortnite or not. This is how you fix your mic not working issue on your PC when playing Fortnite. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any kind of questions, please ask them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.